Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is August 15th, 2025, and we're diving into SharpLink Gaming's latest earnings report for the second quarter of 2025. Joining us is John, a senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. SharpLink Gaming has made some bold moves this quarter, particularly with their Ethereum treasury strategy. I'm excited to discuss the implications of these developments.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the financials. SharpLink reported a revenue of $0.7 million for Q2 2025, down from $1.0 million in the same quarter last year. John, what are your thoughts on this decline?
The decline in revenue is notable, but it's important to consider the context. SharpLink is undergoing a strategic transformation, focusing heavily on Ethereum as a treasury asset. This shift has impacted their traditional revenue streams, but it's a calculated move to align with future financial systems.
And what about their profitability?
SharpLink reported a net loss of $103.4 million, largely due to non-cash impairments and stock-based compensation. While this is a significant loss, it's primarily driven by accounting rules related to their Ethereum holdings, not operational inefficiencies.
Strategic shift to Ethereum. SharpLink has made a strategic shift to Ethereum, now holding 728,804 ETH. Can you explain the rationale behind this move?
Absolutely. SharpLink is positioning itself as a leader in the digital asset space by adopting Ethereum as its primary treasury reserve. This move is supported by strategic partnerships, notably with Consensus, and significant capital raising efforts totaling $2.6 billion. Their ETH concentration metric has increased by 98%, showcasing their aggressive accumulation strategy.
How does this strategy set them apart from other companies?
By focusing on Ethereum, SharpLink is not just holding a digital asset, but actively participating in the growth of the Ethereum ecosystem. This positions them uniquely in the market, offering investors exposure to Ethereum's potential as a core component of future financial systems.
Financial challenges and impairments. SharpLink reported a substantial non-cash impairment of $87.8 million on their liquid-staked ETH Holdings. What led to this impairment?
The impairment is a result of U.S. GAAP accounting rules, which require companies to recognize losses if the market price of their crypto assets falls below the carrying value. In this case, the price of LsETH dropped to approximately $2,300, triggering the impairment. It's important to note that this is a non-cash loss and doesn't reflect operational performance.
How does this affect their overall financial health?
While the impairment significantly impacts their net loss, it's largely an accounting issue. The company's strategic focus on Ethereum and their partnerships suggest a strong long-term outlook, despite these short-term financial challenges.
Operational efficiencies and future outlook. Looking ahead, what can we expect from SharpLink in terms of operational efficiencies and future growth?
SharpLink has expanded its leadership team with industry veterans, including Joseph Lubin from Consensus, which strengthens their strategic capabilities. They've generated 1,326 ETH in cumulative rewards through staking, indicating effective yield generation. The company's focus on Ethereum positions them well for future growth, aligning with the broader adoption of digital assets.
So, would you say the outlook is positive?
Yes, despite the current financial challenges, SharpLink's strategic initiatives and partnerships provide a strong foundation for future success. Their commitment to Ethereum and innovative treasury management are key differentiators in the market.
Key takeaways. In summary, SharpLink Gaming is navigating a transformative period with its strategic shift to Ethereum. While facing financial challenges, their focus on digital assets and strong partnerships position them for future growth. Key takeaways include a revenue of $0.7 million, a net loss of $103.4 million, and significant ETH holdings. Thank you for joining us, John.
Thank you for having me. It's an exciting time for SharpLink, and I'm optimistic about their future prospects.
Thank you to our viewers for tuning in. If you found this analysis insightful, please like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch. We'd love to hear your thoughts on SharpLink's performance in the comments below. Until next time.